Hey guys, welcome back to my channel RSK Training and continuing the date series of videos. We'll be covering incrementing years this time. So last time we covered incrementing months, before that we covered incrementing dates, and now it is the turn of incrementing years. Let's see how we do it. So I have a sample over here, employee ID, say 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and I have their attendance for the entire year of say 2020. Let me format it to YYYY. Okay, let me drag this till say this point and fill in years. I get 2022 till 2025, so I'll fill in the random numbers here. Say there are from 300 to 350. Okay, so here we have the number of days present randomly selected. However, I want to present it to my management, say for 3 years at a stretch. For this time, I present 2020, 2021, 2022. Maybe they would ask 2021 and so on and so forth. So I have to specify here 2021 and then drag it till here and fill in years and the numbers accordingly. However, if they want 2022, then I have to just change the date again. So, what if I have a formula that I would change the date in this particular cell and rest of the cells will automatically change? I use the same formula that I used the last time in incrementing the months. So, I select start date 1 into 12 because everyone knows there are 12 months in a year. So when I change this to 2021, rest of the dates change. And that's what I was looking for. Well, thank you for watching my video. Hope you liked it. If you did, click on the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to my channel. And we will continue this date series videos with a new formula the next time. And that formula will be a surprise for now. So meet you the next time. Till then, take good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye.